morning sunshine on the riverside. Feel the spirit moving deep inside. Ancient vibes whisper through the breeze, carry wisdom through the coconut trees. Every step on this sacred land, guided by the Most High hand. Through the storm and through the rain, truth and love forever remain. No fear can stop the rising sun, no darkness when the light has come. Hold the faith and keep the flame, every soul and heart the same. Rising out the light, rising out the truth, let the spirit guide you. Walk with love and walk with grace, let your light shine upon every face. Rising out the light, rising out the day, let no shadow block the way. One people, one vibration, healing the whole creation. Hear the drum beat call the tribe, feel the roots deep down inside. Every nation, every creed, all are we share the same heartbeat. Break the chains of fear and pride, let the higher self be the guide. From the mountain to the sea, freedom song for you and me. Stand firm like the ancient tree, strong roots in our unity. Every soul a shining star, no matter where the journey are. Rising out of light, rising out of truth, let the spirit guide you. Walk with love and walk with grace, let your light shine upon every face. Rising out of light, rising out of day, let no shadow block the way. One people, one vibration, healing the whole creation. Rise up, rise up, rise up, let the love flow free. Rise up from mountain to sea. Rise up, hear the freedom call. Stand strong in the light, God bless us all. Rising out of light, rising out of truth, let the spirit guide you. Walk with love and walk with grace, let your light shine upon every face. Rising out of light, rising out of day, let no shadow block the way. One people, one vibration, peace across the nation.